Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go through what is earned income tax credit. So let's get in. The earned income tax credit or earned income credit is a refundable tax credit with low to moderate income working individuals and couples, particularly anybody with children. The amount of the EITC or the earned income tax credit benefit depends on the recipient's income and the number of children. So if you are having a look over here, we are going to just jump into this graph, and you can see that if you don't have children, the maximum AGI, if you're filing as a single or a head of household, a widowed or married filing separately, you can get up to 17,640, and the maximum AGI, which is filing as a married filing jointly, then you can get a maximum of 24,200. Of course, as you're going up with more children or relatives claimed, you can see that the amount increases. There are, though, some qualifications. So you do have to have earned income as an employee from operating your own business. You can also have it from a long-term disability pay or from union strike benefits, right? If you'd like to know any more of those qualifications, you can go ahead and type in the income tax credit qualifications over here. You'll be able to get all of that. You also have to be a US citizen or a resident alien, and then everyone that is within your household must have a valid social security number. You need to have $11,000 or less in an investment income, and then you need to have not filed for a Form 2555 or a 2555EZ. You can also go ahead into the search bar and check it out over here. And then if you're not a joint return, you must have a qualifying child that lives with you for more than half of your previous year. And if you're not claiming any children, you must be at least 19 years old, and if you are a student, you have to be at least 24 years old, and you can't or could not have been claimed as a child or a dependent in anyone else's return. If you would like to know more about this, you can jump in, as I said, on the right hand side, the search and the help tabs. And if you would like to know if you qualify for this, once you have gone through all of your qualifications and all of your personal information in Intuit Turbotax, you'll be able to see if you qualify or not. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.